Hello, everyone, and welcome back where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It is so good to be here today.
It is. How are you today, Paul?
I am doing great, thank you. I have my coffee, and the sun is shining.
Oh, wonderful. I am very happy too.
You are always happy, Emily.
It's good to be here with you and everyone listening.
It is, and we are so happy you are all here with us.
Yes, but wait, Paul. Before we start our chat, we have a small favor to ask.
Oh yes, a very important favor.
Please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, please do. And if you like our podcast, please give this episode a big thumbs up.
Yes, and if you can, please share it with your friends and family.
It helps our channel grow, and we can make more podcasts for you.
Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Okay, Emily. So what is our topic today?
Today, our topic is just talking.
Just talking?
Yes, like friends. This is daily English conversation practice. We can talk about our weekend.
Ah, a chat. I love this. This is real English.
Yes. So, Paul, how was your weekend?
My weekend. It was okay.
Just okay? Not great?
Well, Saturday was a little difficult.
Oh no. Difficult? Why? What happened?
Well, I lost my keys.
Oh no. You lost your keys?
Yes, my keys, my car keys, and my house keys. All my keys.
Paul, that is not good. Where did you lose them?
I did not know. That was the problem.
Oh dear. So what did you do?
I looked everywhere.
Where did you look?
Well, first, I looked on the table.
Okay. The table? Were they there?
No keys.
Hmm.
Then I looked in my pockets, my pants pockets.
And?
No keys. Then I looked in my coat pockets.
No keys?
No keys. Oh no, where are my keys?
I am sure you were worried.
I looked in my bag, my work bag.
And?
No keys.
Oh, Paul.
I looked in the kitchen. I looked in the bathroom.
In the bathroom?
Yes, maybe, but no keys.
So, where were they? Did you find them?
Yes, I found them.
Phew, good. Where?
It is very funny.
Tell me.
They were in the refrigerator.
The refrigerator?
Yes.
No. Why?
I don't know. I came home. I had milk. I had my keys. I put the milk in the refrigerator, and I put my keys in the refrigerator too.
Oh, Paul, that is so funny.
Yes, I looked for 1 hour. 1 hour.
Oh, no.
And my keys were very cold.
Your cold keys.
Yes. So that was my Saturday.
Well, I am very happy you found your keys.
Me too. Me too.
That is a great story.
So, what about you, Emily? How was your weekend? Was it better than my weekend?
Yes, I think so. I did not lose my keys.
Good.
My weekend was very nice, thank you.
What did you do?
I visited my family on Saturday.
Oh, that is lovely. Your mom and dad?
Yes, my mom and dad, and my sister.
You have a sister?
Yes, my sister, Anna. She is very fun.
That is wonderful.
We cooked lunch together.
Oh, cooking. I like cooking. What did you make?
We made pasta.
Pasta. I love pasta.
Me too. It is my favorite food.
What kind of pasta?
We made pasta with tomatoes, a big red sauce,
Ooh, sounds good.
and cheese. Lots and lots of cheese.
Yes, cheese is the best part.
I agree. It was delicious.
That sounds perfect.
Yes, we ate and we talked and we laughed. It was a very good day.
That sounds much better than my Saturday.
Yes, a happy day.
So, what did you do on Sunday?
Sunday. Sunday was quiet. I stayed home.
That is nice sometimes.
Yes, I read a book.
Oh, what book?
It is a book about a small town. It is a story.
Is it good?
It is very good. I like it. And I cleaned my apartment.
Oh, cleaning.
Yes, not fun, but it is good. Now my apartment is very clean.
That is good. I need to clean my apartment.
Maybe next weekend.
Yes, maybe. So, after I found my cold keys on Saturday, I relaxed.
Good.
I watched a movie on TV.
Oh, a movie. What movie?
It was a comedy, a very funny movie.
I love funny movies. What was it about?
It was about a dog, a very big, funny dog.
A dog. Ah, I love dogs.
Me too. This dog, it could talk.
The dog talked?
Yes. It was very silly, but very funny.
That sounds wonderful. Do you have a dog, Paul?
No, I do not have a dog. My apartment is very small.
Yes.
I want a dog. Maybe one day.
Do you have any pets?
I do. I have a cat.
A cat. Oh, lovely.
Yes, his name is Leo.
Leo the cat. I like that name.
Yes.
What color is he?
He is all black. A small black cat with big green eyes.
Oh, he sounds beautiful.
He is. But, Emily, he is very lazy.
Lazy?
Yes, he sleeps all day.
All cats are lazy.
I think so. He sleeps on my sofa. He sleeps on my bed. He sleeps on my chair. He wakes up, he eats, and he goes back to sleep.
He has a good life.
Yes, a very good life. But I love him.
That is very sweet.
What about you, Emily? Do you have pets? Dog? Cat?
No, I do not have pets.
Oh, okay.
But I have plants.
Plants?
Yes. I have many, many plants. My apartment is like a jungle.
A jungle.
Yes. I love plants. I have big plants. I have small plants.
Wow.
I have plants on the table and plants on the floor and plants by the window.
That sounds very green and very beautiful.
It is. I like it.
Is it a lot of work?
No, it is easy. I give them water.
Ah, yes. Water. Very important.
Yes, I give them water every Sunday. That was my job on Sunday.
Clean the apartment and water the jungle.
Exactly.
Do you talk to your plants, Emily?
Maybe. Yes, I do. I say, "Hello, plants. You are beautiful today."
That is very funny.
They are good listeners.
I talk to my cat, Leo, but he is always sleeping.
Oh, Paul. So that was our weekend. Now, it is a new week.
Yes. Today is Tuesday.
Are you busy this week, Paul?
Yes. Work is busy. Always busy.
Ah, yes, work.
But I am very excited for tonight.
Tonight? Oh, why? What is happening tonight?
Tonight, I am meeting my friend David.
David? I do not know David.
He is my friend from school, a very old friend. We were boys together.
Oh, that is so nice.
Yes, and we are going to a new restaurant.
A new restaurant. Ooh, I love new restaurants.
Me too. It is a new pizza restaurant.
Oh, pizza.
Yes.
I love pizza.
Me too. It is my favorite.
What kind of pizza do you like, Paul?
My favorite is pepperoni.
Pepperoni, a classic, very good.
Yes, pepperoni and maybe mushroom.
Ooh, good combination.
Yes. What about you? What is your favorite pizza?
I like cheese.
Just cheese?
Yes, lots and lots and lots of cheese.
That is very simple.
It is simple and delicious.
Okay, that is good too.
Well, I hope the new restaurant is good.
Me too. I will tell you tomorrow.
Yes, please tell me. I want to know.
Okay, I will.
What about next weekend? Do you have plans for next weekend?
Next weekend. I don't know.
No plans?
Not big plans. I think if the weather is good, I want to go to the park.
Oh, the park. That is a lovely idea.
Yes, the weather is very nice now. It is sunny, but not too hot.
Yes, autumn is beautiful.
I want to walk in the park. See the trees.
The trees are very beautiful now. Red and yellow and orange.
Yes, I love the colors.
Me too.
So I will walk, and maybe I will take a book.
Oh, read a book in the park? That sounds perfect.
Yes, very relaxing.
What book are you reading?
I am reading a book about history.
Oh, history. Is it interesting?
It is okay. It is very long.
I like short books.
Me too, but it is interesting.
Well, that sounds like a wonderful Saturday.
I hope so. What about you, Emily? What are your plans for next weekend?
Next Saturday, I must go shopping.
Shopping? Oh, shopping for clothes?
Yes, I need a new dress.
A new dress? Why?
My friend is getting married.
Married? Wow, that is big news.
Yes, a wedding. I am so excited.
That is wonderful. When is the wedding?
Next month, so I need a dress.
Oh, shopping for a dress is fun. What color?
I don't know. Maybe blue? I like blue.
Blue is a beautiful color.
Yes, a nice blue dress.
That sounds great.
So, I will go to the shops on Saturday.
Well, good luck. I hope you find a perfect dress.
Thank you, Paul.
Wow, Emily, we talked a lot.
Yes, look at the time.
Time flies when you are having fun.
Yes, it does. This was a nice chat.
It was. I liked hearing about your family and your plants.
And I liked hearing about your cat and your cold keys.
I will never forget my cold keys.
Well, that is all the time we have for today's episode.
Yes, it is. Thank you all so much for listening.
We hope you liked our chat. This is real daily English conversation.
It is. And before you go, please don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe. And if you liked our chat, please give this episode a like.
It helps us so much.
And please share this podcast with your friends or family who are learning English.
Yes, we appreciate it. And we have a question for you.
Ooh, yes. We love your comments.
Please leave a comment for us below. Tell us, what did you do last weekend?
Yes. Did you cook pasta? Did you watch a movie? Did you lose your keys?
Or tell us, what will you do next weekend? Do you have plans?
We love to read all of your answers in English.
Yes, we do. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. We will see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.